video is just an update of what I've done with the bike. I'm not going to walk you through towards the changes because there's a lot. It's a major modification that I had to do to the bike. But basically I got rid of the standard seat of the Yamaha Fz150i and replaced it with the Moto3 single seater. And there are some parts of the frame that we had to get rid of. The most noticeable part that I've gotten rid of is the passenger foot pack, and that alone saved us about 3 kilograms. And when you're moving that amount of weight, it's a lot. And it's something that I'm happy about because I feel it's different. It's something that I have envisioned in my head for a very long time, and now after 2 years I finally managed to have it materialized. I'm very happy. Now it's just maintenance, you know, keep the engine running so that I can still have it run in the street and bring it to the track whenever I feel like I want it to. I have an idea what I want to do for the next video, which is how I secure my action camera on the bike, because just recently I went out and I rode my bike and my Insta360 fell off. I almost lost it, but I've secured it and I want to share it. Maybe if you are having the same problem, you can have it as reference. So I hope that I can come up with the video very soon, and until then, just enjoy the bike. I'll see you in the next video.